On select refrigerator models, the dispenser solenoid is the component that opens the door flap to allow ice to be dispensed. A faulty solenoid will be unable to open the door flap. To help identify a faulty dispenser solenoid, you can use a multimeter to perform a continuity test on the component. A continuity test will determine if a continuous electrical path is present in the solenoid. If the part has continuity, it should be functioning properly. No continuity means the electrical path is broken and the solenoid is defective. The solenoid is usually located behind the dispenser control panel, and you will need to remove or isolate it from the refrigerator for proper test results. Rotate the multimeter's range selection dial to the lowest setting for ohms of resistance. Now contact the black meter lead to one of the solenoid terminals and the red lead to the other terminal. The meter display should indicate 20 to 70 ohms of resistance if the solenoid has electrical continuity. However, if the meter display shows little or no change, then the solenoid has no electrical continuity, and you'll need to install a new dispenser solenoid to fix the problem.